Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Red color, orange color, chocolate color, purple color, green color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, triangle, blue color, circle, red color, heart. Orange color, star. Purple color, pentagon. Next, chocolate color, square. What we learn? We learn green color, triangle, blue color, circle, red color, heart, orange color, star, purple color, pentagon, chocolate color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.